at the first International Conference on Distributed Sensing and Intelligence Systems (ICDSIS) 2020. My paper ID 99. Paper title: Analysis of Texture Feature Extraction Technique in Image Processing. I am the presenter, Partha Chakraborty. Okay. Texture plays an important role in many machine vision tasks such as surface inspection, scene classification, surface orientation, and shape determination. Feature extraction reducing the amount of resources where we actually required to describe these things with a large set of data. Generally, it does construct combinations of the variable to get around these problems while still describing the data with sufficient accuracy. Texture is important for recognition, interpretation of data, computer vision, and image processing and pattern recognition. By using the extraction, it is possible to solve some real-life problems. This is my motivation to find an efficient method for feature detection, feature extraction, and matching in images using texture analysis, and to improve the performance of image retrieval systems and show which methods or approach we can use to get better accuracy. Gabor filtering has been widely used for texture feature extraction. In this paper, we presented a well-ordered extraction method of two-dimensional texture features and a comparison study between Gabor filter and log-Gabor filter. In this paper, we implemented a new image texture feature extraction process model. We used 2D log-Gabor filter, the improved version of Gabor filter, and SVD to establish a new texture feature extraction method. We used 6 different category picture, which was in total 1200 images to test in our proposed model. First, we calculate how much accuracy result actually the model show. We find very high accuracy percentage for each and every dataset. Like for marble, we found 97.5% accuracy rate. Apple's story also show 97.5%. Carpet show 93.5% accuracy result. Wallpaper show 91.5% accuracy result. Glass show 95%, and corduroy images show 85.5% accuracy result. We compared our log-Gabor and SVD based model with Gabor and SVD based texture feature extraction model and also some other existing methods. After comparison with Gabor and SVD based model, the proposed model shows great result for each and every dataset. We then find some proved texture feature extraction model for some type of dataset. After comparing with that, we found an extremely better result. Here is the basic workflow diagram of our paper. Firstly, we have collected a dataset of images with 6 categories. Then we have done feature extraction on those images. After that, we have kept those feature extracted images on feature database. On the other side, we also collected several query images, then done feature extraction of those images. After that, we match the query image feature extracted sample with the feature database sample. And lastly, we tried to find how accurately this system defined each of the query images category. In figure 2, CPU implemented version. Here we first take images. After that, we have checked images are in gray level or not. If they are not in gray level, we convert this image to gray level. Then we used 2D log-Gabor filter and SVD based model to extract feature information. Finally, the classification of image shown on CPU. For identifying texture information, we used 2 different algorithms named Gabor filter and log-Gabor filter. In this study, in order to extract meaningful texture information in a 2D gray level images, a 2D Gabor filter with various frequencies and orientation angles is used. In general, 2D Gabor filter consists of a complex exponential center at a given frequency and a latest version of Gaussian envelope. Okay. In 2D log Gabor filter is the latest version of Gabor filter. It has complex exponential frequencies. Here, the 2D log Gabor filter with various frequencies and orientation angles is used. It is the latest version of Gabor filter and it has complex exponential frequencies. And here is the equations. Singular value decomposition is a matrix decomposition method for reducing a matrix to its constituent part in order to make certain subsequent matrix calculations simpler. The singular values are used as a feature vector of the corresponding log-Gabor filtered image. If we have a rectangular matrix of size n into m that can be expressed in this way, and the matrix of S can be represented as the slide shown here. We showed an analysis result for 6 categories of images here. In table 1, we show here 6 categories as the accuracy rate of the proposed model on testing different categories in images. First of all, in this sense, the carpet case, we can take 100 of total images. Here we used 40% used of training for training data and 60% used for test data, and we get the accuracy result 93.5%. In case of upholstery, we get the accuracy result 97.5%. In case of marble, we get 97.5%. Wallpaper 91.5%, glass 95%, and corduroy we get 85.5%. This is the accuracy rate of Gabor filter and SVD based model on detecting different categories of images. In case of carpet, we in this sense we take 100 images. Here also we used 40% used for training data and 60% used for test data, and we get the accuracy result 85.5%. In case of upholstery, 83%, marble 90%, wallpaper 82%, glass 89.25%, and corduroy we get 81.6%. We can see from the comparison graph here that we get a better result by implemented log Gabor in our image dataset. There are many working models that use texture feature of image in image classification, but in order improve the efficiency and save precious time on this model. First of all, we used different combination of algorithm which are log-Gabor filter and SVD algorithm to improve the efficiency rate and to reduce to time and computational complexity, as we showed above in our experimental result and analysis chapter. With this technique of texture representation and texture feature extraction in future, we used like to test the model with much larger dataset to see its efficiency, and also we would also like to test the model with satellite imaging from different testing. These are our references. Thank you so much.